What's your favorite part about playing along the O-line?
Crushing the other guy. When everything in him is just defeated and you're driving him into the ground. Being relentless, and that's kind of the way I like to play.
To test how Nate Solder takes on defenders, we'll have him attempt to stop this 300-pound heavy bag as it comes swinging straight at him.
3, 2, 1, go! Nice, nice, get it. Move! Nice.
Solder shuts the bag down cold, absorbing over 2,700 pounds of force without giving an inch. That's comparable to stopping a blitzing Brian Urlacher dead in his tracks. Since an O-lineman has to be mobile in order to execute the NFL's sophisticated blocking schemes, we've created a pulling test.
You're going to pull down the line and just slam right into our dummy.
I can do that.
You can do that.
I can do that.
3, 2, 1.
Solder breaks the light trigger in only 0.8 of a second, changes direction, and covers 5 yards in barely over 1 second. He drives the dummy up and into the ground with almost 2,800 pounds of force. As strong as hits we've measured by Dwight Freeney.
Nate Solder is one of the biggest and most impressive athletes we've ever tested. We measured his vertical leap at 32 inches. That's 4 inches higher than the average vert in the NBA. And yet, at 319 pounds, Solder outweighs every player in that league except Shaq. For ESPN Sports Science, I'm John Brinkins.